Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Justin and you're watching Survival Mindset. Epic IPA. Yes, we're going to be doing a barbecue today. We're going to be barbecuing some beer brats. Also, I'll be grilling some zucchini on the barbecue. We'll be using the Expat knife for that one, made by ESEE. And we got some Smokey C's barbecue sauce. It's an official sponsor. The zucchinis fresh out of the garden. I'm just adding a little bit of barbecue sauce to all these so I can put my seasoning on here. Once I get my seasoning on here, it's gonna stick nice to each and every one of these. So the seasoning I got is the roasted garlic herb. This is just made by Weber. It's actually really good stuff. You know, you got the garlic and the herb all mixed into one. And our brats are on top right now because the zucchini takes a little longer to cook normally. So yeah, those are looking awesome. I'm gonna kick it up a notch and add some Smokey C's to the beer brats here. It's just about that time, guys. We're going to be pulling off the beer brats and zucchini. We'll be bringing these in the house along with the beer brats and zucchini. We'll have macaroni salad, and we'll be dipping these zucchini sticks in some ranch dressing. Yes, you do hear a bunch of fire planes flying over me. There's a fire 17 miles from us. Pretty smoky in the area. That's why we're going to be eating inside. So stick around for the final end results on all this goodness. So everything's looking good right off the grill. Welcome back, Justin Times Bar and Grill. We got the beer brats, macaroni salad, grilled zucchini with ranch dressing, and my wife came up with some jalapenos, I guess, and some tomatoes for her beer brat right there. Yeah, everything's looking good. So, hey guys, thanks. We really appreciate you guys stopping by. You're watching Survival Mindset. Peace.